How to fix Doordash login error. So I'm going to show you a few things that you can do. First and foremost, open up the App Store here. Just search for Doordash and make sure that you have the most up-to-date version. So if you have an option here to update the app, immediately update it and see if you can log in. Now that was the first solution. For the second solution, we're going to go into our phone settings. And from here, we'll just search for offload. So offload unused apps. And here we will find the Doordash application from this list. Click on it and select offload app. Once we offload this application, we can immediately click to reinstall it. And this will begin reinstalling the app itself. So give it some time here to reinstall. Once the app has been reinstalled here, check if it works. If it still doesn't work, we can just immediately search for or directly search for Doordash here. Open up the app itself and make sure this is toggled on. Background app refresh, uncheck this, or if it's unchecked, you just want to toggle this on. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.